Welcome to this lesson of the course. In this lesson we will explore the Navisworks interface. When you start Navisworks, for the first time, you will be welcomed with this interface. This interface has a ribbon system which all the Autodesk programs have by now. The Navisworks program containing some of the few things, the big N word, instead of R for Revit, it's N for Navisworks, which is called the application button. From here you can make a new file or open an existing file. The files can be the recent documents that you have worked on are here. The files can be NWF files or NWD, which is the Navisworks document I've said earlier, or NWC and Navisworks cache. You can open it but not save the NWC as NWC. You can only view it. If you want to save it, it will be an NWF or a Navisworks file. You can access the options of the program from here, which I will talk about later when we import or export something. Another thing is the quick access toolbar. It's shown here besides the title bar. This is called the title bar with the open file right now. It's an untitled file. We don't have any projects open. The quick access toolbar, you can use it to create a new file or open an existing file like the application button. And these options are grayed out right now because we don't have a file, the print and save, undo and redo. You can use this drop down arrow to show below the ribbon like this is called the ribbon with tabs, and it's better to make it above the ribbon so you can have an extra space here. This is called the communication center or the Autodesk communication center. You can sign in if you have an account on Autodesk, and this you can access the help online, or you can access Navisworks on the web, the support knowledge. This is called the ribbon with tabs. These called tabs the home tab, viewpoint tab and review tab, and each tab have panels. This is called the project panel and select and search panel, visibility, display and so on. Each panel contains some tools. This is called the append tool. When you talking to someone or reading an online help article or something, when they refer to the append tool, they would say on the home tab on the project panel the append tool. And another thing, this is the clash detective tool, which is located at the home tab inside tools panel. Each panel have a line to separate it from the next panel besides it. This black screen is called the scene view. It's called the scene view because it's a review tool. You don't create anything here or you don't draw anything inside Navisworks. So this black screen is called the scene view, which you use it to view your project. This bar which says ready right now, it's called the status bar, and it's very important because you can use it to communicate with the program. If you select a tool, for example, the program wants a prompt from you, the prompt would be here on the status bar. One more cool thing in the ribbons that you can drag and drop any panel you want. You can drag it from its title here and place it anywhere in the scene view here. When you hover over it, you can see these dots. You can use it to move the panel, or you can click on this toggle orientation. It will orient this drop down arrow with the name. If you want this panel to return to its original place inside the ribbon, we can simply click on this icon, returns panel to ribbon, and it would return it to its original place in the ribbon.